In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Logseq Agenda plugin. If you've been looking for a simple way to organize tasks and see your schedule right alongside your notes, this walkthrough will get you set up quickly and confidently. First, open Logseq. Make sure you're in the workspace where you plan to manage your tasks and calendar. Having a stable internet connection helps here because we'll be pulling the plugin from the online catalog. If you're on desktop, launch the app. If you're in the browser, open your Logseq site just like you normally do. Next, look to the top right corner of the Logseq window for the three dots icon. This is the main menu, sometimes called the kebab menu. Click it to open settings and tools. The exact look can vary a bit with themes or versions, but it's always in that upper right area. From that menu, click on Plugins. This opens Logseq's Plugin Manager, the place where you control everything related to extensions. Think of it as your command center for adding features that don't come with the default install. Inside the Plugin Manager, click Marketplace. The Marketplace is a curated catalog of community-built add-ons. It's where you'll find the Agenda plugin along with descriptions, version info, and other details that help you decide what to install. If this is your first time here, take a second to notice the tabs and layouts so you know how to get back later. Now, use the search bar. Type Agenda to locate the Agenda plugin quickly. The search narrows the list in real time, so you should see it appear almost immediately. When you find it, open its card to review the overview, check the latest update, and confirm it aligns with what you need. This is a good habit whenever you add anything to your workflow. When you're ready, click Install. Logseq will download and set up the plugin for you. You may see a brief spinner or a small status message while it completes. Once installed, the plugin will show as added in your plugin list. It's normal for a newly installed plugin to add options or a panel the next time its interface is opened. If you see any on-screen guidance from the plugin, that's there to help you get oriented. That's it. You just installed the Logseq Agenda plugin by opening Logseq, using the three dots menu, navigating to plugins, heading into the marketplace, searching for Agenda, and clicking Install. With that in place, you're ready to bring your tasks and scheduling into a clear, unified view right inside Logseq.